Hiya, Andrew here, and today is the day before the May 26th math exams. So, I would just like to record a short video on what to do right before the exam. Number one, imperative, try to sleep well. This is non negotiable. The morning of the exam, or right before the exam, do a test that you know you will smash it. Knock it out of the park. For HL students, do the SL papers from 2014-2015. Why? You have seen all the content. There should be no surprises. The questions are brand that easy. You got this. For SL students, feel free to do a GCSE paper or even, I don't know, a test from grade 1 that you've smashed. Doesn't matter. Do not check your answers though, because the worst thing is realizing you got something wrong on the paper. Do it. Believe you got 100% of it. Move on. Next, quickly review one topic that you tend to forget. It could be sampling techniques. It can be some methods to solve the visual equations. Anything that your mind just slips. Quickly look at it before the exam. Number four, eat well before the exam. Do not eat anything that will upset your tummy. That's serious. Milk, for example, or condensed milk, certain kind of food that you know that you have an allergic reaction to. Do not drink too much water. You do not have too much time to leave the exam room, get escorted to the bathroom, do your business, and come back. That is wasted time. Okay? Three, do not drink too much caffeine. And for the love of God, Red Bull. Because the caffeine crash will kick in around an hour and a half or 2 hours, and that's not fun. Moving on, what should you do during the reading time? One, breathe. Can either use the 5-8-7 method or the 4-4-4 method. Totally up to you. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold it for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 4 seconds. Do it 5 times. Just the mere presence of oxygen in your body will help you stay calm. Then, flip through the paper and make note of the questions that you can answer with your eyes closed. Focus on the questions you can answer and skip all the ones that you don't know how to solve at first glance. During game time, what is important has to be written in red. Make sure that your writing is legible. That means your Z and 2 should be different, your M and N should be different, your Q and G and 9 should be different. Present your work clearly and all spaced out. It's just easier for the examiners to mark your work, and therefore to give you the method marks and the accuracy marks that you deserve. Do it quickly and accurately. Assume that you do not have time to revisit the question. Do it once, do it right. And do not lose any marks that you rightfully deserve. Before paper 1, practice your arithmetic. This is self-explanatory. Open a Key Stage 2 Stats exam. Just go through a bunch of basic multiplication, how to handle fractions, how to handle decimals, how to handle roots. It goes a long way. For show that questions, show all your work. the answers given. Examiners are on their toes. They want to make sure that you do not fudge your answer. Better safe than sorry. Show every single stage of your working out. Attempt everything. Check that you have attempted every single question. Use the results from show that questions, even if you're unable to do it, for subsequent parts. If they give you the answer and you choose to use your own wrong answers, you also forfeit all accuracy marks for the subsequent parts. So never ever do that. Some. Any attempt is better than leaving the paper blank. Do not cross out work unless you have replaced it with something else. And if you do cross out your work, please put a single line through the work. Make sure that it is still legible. If you just scribble out of the working out, you cannot change your mind. What if you realize that what just crossed out is the right solution or is the better one? Whoop, sucks to be you. Always check the back of the exam. Make sure you don't miss any questions. Tally up the marks. For SL, make sure that the questions combined are worth 80 marks in total. For HL, 110. Lastly, please substitute values into the formula to get the method mark. Simply quoting down the formula from the formula booklet will not get you the mark. Substituting the values you're given, even if you have no clue what the hell you're doing, will get you that method mark if you're on the right track. Same as before. If you're stressed and confused, breathe. Take your time. You have an hour and a half or 2 hours. You have time to breathe. The exam is important, but there are solutions should it not go to plan. Keep an eye on the clock. Ideally, after question 5 on HL, after section A, of course, you will also receive announcements when there's 30 minutes left and when there's 5 minutes left. Once again, make sure you leave nothing blank. Check your work at the end if there is some spare time. However, more than likely, you will not have any spare time, and even if you do, your mind is so foggy that you cannot reliably check your own work. It is a good to have, but do not rely on this. Do it once, do it right. Move on, and do not look back. You got this. Good luck, and I will see you on the other side.